Basic IELTS Listening for Beginners Unit 1 Letters, Names, Places, Numeral and Relationships.
Unit 1. Names and Places. Part 1. The letters of the alphabet. Exercise 1. Identifying the letters of the alphabet.
A. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Now listen to these letters and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
B. Listen to the following letters and write them down. P, I, F, H, J, K, O, M, R, L, W, T, U, X, S, A, B, E.
C. Circle the letters you hear. F, G, P, H, V, J, W, N, U, R, A, B, Y.
Exercise 2. Common abbreviations.
Listen to these common abbreviations below. Do you know what each one stands for? 1. BBC. 2. SOS. 3. WHO. 4. TUC. 5. ECM. 6. SDP. 7. ECE. 8. EEC. 9. IBA. 10. LEA.
Exercise 3. Names of places. Listen to the following places and write them down. Do you know where these places are in Britain?
1. Edinburgh. EDINBURGH. Edinburgh.
2. Glasgow. GLASGOW. Glasgow.
3. Aberdeen. ABERDEEN. Aberdeen.
4. Dundee. DUNDEE. Dundee.
5. Cardiff. CARDIFF. Cardiff.
6. Swansea. SWANSEA. Swansea.
7. Newport. NEWPORT. Newport.
8. Belfast. BELFAST. Belfast.
9. Manchester. MANCHESTER. Manchester.
10. Leeds. LEEDS. Leeds.
11. Sheffield. Sheffield. Sheffield.
12. Leicester. Leicester. Leicester.
13. Liverpool. Liverpool. Liverpool.
14. Birmingham. Birmingham. Birmingham.
15. Nottingham. Nottingham. Nottingham.
16. Coventry. Coventry. Coventry.
17. Bristol. Bristol. Bristol.
18. Bradford. Bradford. Bradford.
19. London. London. London.
20. Brighton. Brighton. Brighton.